So I have bought this cheap side skirts recently. The original ones cost too much, it's like 700 euros. So I bought this one for an RDX design, and they're cheap. They're like 120 euros approximately, and you have to paint them and you have to bring them on. And it said, like, in the packaging there is all the tools that you need and everything that you need for the work that has to be done. So instructions. But the only thing that I got in the packaging was this one. Yeah? It's blue, especially made for car parts, and this one, and this envelope. Something like this. So I didn't even know what this is. Some fitting will be required. So I got the skirts. I did the paint job. I painted my buddies. He's got the paint workshop. For over a month I tried to make out a plan how to do it and not damage the car. Let me share this method that I developed. So in case you are wondering, you need to lift the car, you need to jack it up, because you won't be able to do any kind of work without removing the wheels, especially if you got some big ones. And if you are wondering why I'm so close to the wall, it's actually an important part of my plan. Otherwise you would have to get somebody else, your wife, or I don't know, a buddy to help you. So, with the wall you can do it yourself, and it is a big part of the fitting process, because there is a small trick. I will show you how to do it. Before doing everything else, we will have to clean the car. So I cleaned all the sides of the car with a bicycle cleaner. This one over here, it's can you see it? The green. It's a general purpose degreaser and bicycle cleaner to remove all the tear and general dirt that's on the bottom of the car. And I also removed all the screws over here and did some cleaning. As you can see, this is the part, and it's made out of plastic, and it's got a hole inside. So I just cleaned this with an all-purpose window cleaner for the tape to stick, because I will try to see how it fits and to get the best way how to mount it on a car. So this is looking great. It's going to be a great fit. But one thing I got to show you. Drill a hole here and put these two parts together. This is going to be almost a perfect fit. And on the other side, so on this side it doesn't fit so great. There is this piece of plastic that disturbs, so we will have to remove this just like an inch. So this was a little bit easier than I thought. The most important stuff is to secure it with the tape, and then you must drill for the front hole. The hole on the back to fit the side skirt. You are going to have to, you can do it later because there is no hole, you have to fit it in. You can drill the hole afterwards. So now we will use this special glue for car parts, and I heard it's like pretty bad stuff. When it sticks, it won't go off. It can glue like aluminum and everything else, and we'll make it fit.
So I hope you have enjoyed my not so short little video about installing the side skirts. It's been a long video in the making. It took a while. I had to fight some serious difficulties. Computer crashes, program crashes, Adobe updating, my inexperience in Adobe After Effects and in editing, and frankly said, my computer is just too slow. 4-core doesn't get it. And if you want to just leave some feedback, it doesn't matter, positive or negative. I'm quite enjoyed to read your comments if you comment something down below. Now is the moment you've been all waiting for, the direct comparison between before and after. Does the car look better? What I haven't planned. And in the next video we got some more car troubles. I will do a complete plastic dipping of my car and my buddy's car and show you how to do it properly, and show you how not to do it properly. So be sure to subscribe to check out the next video. And I'm actually a photography channel, so I will show you also how I filmed this scene with this lens, with this camera, and with a nice gimbal. And we'll do some nice tutorials about the Panasonic G7, about the old Canon 70D. Is it still fit in the year 2020 to do some nice footage, cinematic? And see you in the next one.